How to split large XML files into smaller parts instantly.
Try SysTools XML Splitter Tool.
Let's discuss key features first. Split large and nested XML files easily. Break big or complex XML files into smaller parts by records or file size without losing structure or hierarchy. Supports bulk XML files. Add single file, multiple files, or entire folders and split them all at once with dual file adding modes. Full control and offline processing. Stop the process anytime and split XML files without needing internet, ensuring speed and security. Save anywhere with full data integrity. Choose any local folder to save output files while keeping the XML data and hierarchy fully accurate. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools XML Splitter Tool. Now click on the first link. Then click on the Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools XML Splitter Tool on your system.
First, let's try opening the XML file. Let's open it.
It's loading slowly because the file is big.
To make it easier and faster to work with, the best solution is to split the file. So let's open the software to begin the splitting process.
This is the interface of the SysTools XML Split and Merge tool. It offers two main functions. The first is Split XML, which lets you break large XML files into smaller, lighter parts. The second is Merge XML, which allows you to combine multiple XML files into a single file. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Split XML option. On the right side, you'll find the Add File option, which lets you import single or multiple XML files. Below that, the Add Folder option allows you to import entire folders containing XML files, very useful for large datasets. Let's click on Add File to bring in our XML file. In the new window, locate and select your XML file, then click Open to proceed. In the Selected Path column, you can now see the imported XML file along with its location. To the right, the Size column displays the file size. You'll also notice two new options on the right. The Remove button lets you delete a single selected XML file from the list, and the Remove All button clears all imported files so you can add new ones. Once you're ready, click Next to continue. In the Advanced options, you can configure how you want to split your XML file. The first option is Split by Record, which lets you divide the XML file based on the number of records. For example, if you set it to 10, the tool will create a new file after every 10 records. You can increase or decrease this value as needed. The second option is Split by Size, which allows you to break the file based on file size. If you set it to 10, the tool will split the file once it reaches that size. On the right, you can choose the unit, KB, MB, or GB. We'll use the Split by Size option for this example, but users can choose any option based on their needs. We've set the unit to MB and entered 1 as the size limit. Since our file is 19.6 MB, it will be split accordingly. In the Select Destination Path section, you can choose where the split files should be saved on your system. The default location is currently set to the desktop, but you can change it anytime by clicking the Change button on the right. Now that all settings are configured, we can start the splitting process. Click the Split button at the bottom right. The process has now begun.
It will take a few seconds.
The split process has completed successfully. Now let's open the output folder to review the results. The software has also generated a split process report. opening the folder, you can see that it created 17 XML files of 1 megabyte each, along with one additional XML file sized 192 kilobytes. Now let's open one of the XML files to verify the data.
And it opened instantly.
This is how you can easily split your XML file using the SysTools XML Splitter Tool.
Log on to the product page for more details to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.